You can't assume that a trusting therapeutic alliance is going to exist on day one. It's not. It has to be built over time. It's one reason there's no quick fix. You're not going to do 6 sessions of CBT or EMDR for complex PTSD. Might work fine for an auto accident, but not for complex PTSD. You have to establish a relationship. And only after trust has been established can you do the trauma-focused work of, creating a trauma narrative that integrates the trauma into a life story so that the person is not utterly defined by the trauma, but trauma is an inescapable part of the person's life, and then grieving everything that has been lost. And that's a process of psychotherapy that takes some time.
That's a beautiful point, because I think you said something very important that lives a bit in contradiction with our fast-paced, what I call sometimes the fast food world, that we want everything very fast. We want a quick fix, and we want it as fast as possible. And how can we, be very clear about that especially complex PTSD really needs its time. And often I believe that sometimes the urge for a quick fix is already a symptom of the trauma.